Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market update for Thursday, August 11th. Stocks on Wall Street are off to a strong start, rebounding a bit from another big sell-off yesterday. The Dow Industrials dropped nearly 520 points, and they've now posted swings of more than 400 points in 3 straight sessions. The focus today seems to be the latest data on the labor market and international trade. 395,000 Americans filed for first-time unemployment benefits last week, down from the upwardly revised 402,000 the previous week. Economists had been expecting the number to rise by about 10,000. In addition, the 4-week average of jobless claims, a more accurate gauge of employment trends, dropped to its lowest level since mid-April. But economists say that number would have to fall even further and stay there for an extended period to indicate a healthy pace of hiring. Separately, the U.S. trade deficit widened by 4.4% in June to $53.1 billion. The increase was unexpected, and it marks the largest deficit in almost 3 years. The report suggests that second quarter GDP growth may be revised downward from an initial estimate of 1.3%.
The mixed economic data seems to be stabilizing the U.S. markets for now, after a week of extreme volatility. But global financial stocks continued to roller coaster ride. Yesterday, banks around the world tumbled on rumors that French government debt could be downgraded. And now, Reuters is reporting that 5 major Asian financial institutions are reviewing trades and counterparty risk with French banks. Most of the big European lenders are trading sharply lower, but shares of Bank of America, Citigroup, Wells Fargo, and JP Morgan Chase have swung back the other way. They're all posting solid gains right now. Another sector to keep an eye on today is technology. Most of the big names in the industry fell sharply yesterday, but they may rebound today, led by a 15% jump in shares of Cisco Systems. The networking systems firm topped estimates with its profit numbers and issued a slightly stronger than expected sales outlook. After today's closing bell, we'll hear from chipmaker NVIDIA.
2 more big names are moving in early trading after reporting earnings. Department store Kohl's is jumping 6% after topping estimates with a 17% jump in profit. Kohl's also posted continued sales growth and wider margins and increased its full-year earnings forecast. But shares of Sara Lee are tumbling more than 4%. Its quarterly results matched expectations, but profit fell 40%. Analyst actions may move a few other stocks this morning. Chevron and Colgate-Palmolive are both solidly higher in early trading, following upgrades by Oppenheimer and Morgan Stanley, respectively. And Capital One Financial is jumping nearly 5%. Wells Fargo boosted its rating on that stock after its purchase of HSBC's U.S. credit card operations earlier this week.
Checking in on the other markets. Gold has turned lower and is now trading back around $1,770 an ounce. It's been soaring to record after record recently, due to its appeal as a relatively safe investment. So to cut down on speculation in the precious metal, exchange operator CME Group raised the margin requirements to trade in a wide range of gold products. U.S. Treasuries have also largely maintained their status as a safe haven through all this economic uncertainty, with the yield on short and medium-term debt falling near record lows. But right now, the yield on the benchmark 10-year note is moving back up to about 2.2%. And finally, let's take a look at oil prices. Right now, crude is dropping to around $82 a barrel. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.